got the girl in here for the first time. We're gonna see what she can do. Keep it running! Oh shit!
Start up, start up.
Oh fuck. Yo, pull it up! Hook it up!
Yeah, that fucker's deep.
Yo, who's got a boat? It won't run.
Hurry up! Come on!
Dude, this thing is fucked.
Yo, here. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Hop in and come out.
I won't get all fucking wet. We almost lost her! We did lose her.
Yo, that's gonna be tough to get her running again. It's gonna be like my Kodiak.
Rip. I know what to do. Okay. Yeah, sweet. So about this. Now look at the machines we have to get it out. We have a 125, a 250, a 250, 300, and a 350. Now how the hell are we getting this thing out?
Loader. Loader's got keys on it.
Okay.
Get it.
Alright, so who's going to hook up their four-wheeler first?
125.
Oh yeah, 125.